No. Finally! About time.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day.
Finally!
The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Okay. So, well, here it is. So, of course, one went off unrecognized, and yeah.
Thanks. There was a chance of...
Well, that was pretty late, about 1:05. It's like 1:05, and finally they relayed my test for me. Oh, by the way, yes, I am swapping antennas for the day. So, like, one belongs to my 400 and the other two belong to my 300s, but one of them actually is with my R120.
Sky 1 spotter activation will not...
I guess we can set these things up.
This is OK JY80 in Red Wing.
I'm trying to do this for you.
Broadcast frequency of 162.450.
Yeah, you were late.
This broadcast...
Finally. Well, I guess I'll just swap my antennas back for today. Bye.